What's up, everybody? My name is Eric, and I just wanted to share with you guys something I've never done this before. I ordered a machine cutter, a clipper, online like two weeks ago because I wanted to learn how to cut my hair. And before this, I had my hair was really bald. So right now it's just growing, and that's why it's like this. But I've been cutting it with this one, with these clippers that I had for like a while already. They just recently stopped working. I don't know why. I cleaned them, maybe I messed them up, maybe I messed, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you guys know a Remington. That's how it looked basically. And it came with all of this stuff in here, I guess I don't know. And then I want to show you guys something from number 1, which is 8th. And then number 2 would be there. And it just goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this machine cutter, it comes with different guards. It starts at 0, then goes to half, 1, and then 1.5, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, just like the other one would. So from what I see from this, so far it looks pretty good, and I'm pretty sure I could do a better job having different guards. So I'm gonna test that out. Oh, before I start opening this up and showing you guys like how it looks, I actually ordered from this one website. I was gonna get some Andis Masters, but it was a fake site. So I don't know if you see like a good deal from that site. You know that it's just it's a scam. So just beware. Okay. So I'm gonna put that later. Okay, so I'm gonna start talking about this Andis Cordless Andis Nation. It was like around $78, something like that, and I got it from the actual website itself from Andis because I don't want to do no third party no more because lose money like that. I lost like $50 trying to get an Andis Masters with the set of
And you should have known how like the prices were too good to be true.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah,
prices were too good to be true.
I learned my lesson. I already lost my money. Oh yeah, so just to start up talking about this, like it does say it's 25% lighter, and I do feel it much lighter. Guards, and then it comes with oil as well, a little charger, and then as you can see back there, there's all of that stuff right there.
What does it say? Adjustable blade. Ooh. All these different languages for y'all too. Look, bam.
Yeah, I'm not that experienced with cutting hair, just to let you guys know. It's like the whole set right here, so it's pretty cool, you know. So far so good, and it's pretty light, it's cordless. It lasts over 2 hours when you charge it. So let's start to open it up and let's see what we got inside. Alright, so that's the case.
Sorry y'all, we got our little bananas there, you know. Ignore this. It's dirty, it's dirty. We'll have it cleaned up later for y'all.
So that's how it looks like. It's in their packaging. It's on a blue package here, and then all the guards right here. It's pretty sick. And you got the charging. What is this called? The thing you use to charge and plug it into the. It's actually pretty light. It is actually light. Let me compare this thing. It's pretty light. Like it just looks bigger, like fatter than this one. Oh, that sounded wrong, but
You're dumb.
yeah, I just thought about it. Yeah,
he said no homo.
Be in the comments, no homo, but you know. Compare both. Well, I'm not sure if you guys might have the Remington or some other brand like this, but just to compare the sizes, like it kind of looks like that. But this one seems pretty light, so. If you guys learn how to cut hair, if you guys don't want to get tired, not that you should get tired because it's not that heavy for your wrist, but you know, it's gonna be better if it's lighter, you know? You could do it longer, you can take your time. I like the design, by the way. It's pretty sick. It looks something like this. Andis Model. And then you connect it down here. I guess that's the right there.
The port.
Yeah, and that's the what's it called, the light. And then that's how you turn it on right here. Okay. Wow, and something about this too. This one closes all the way. This right here, and that right there. You're able to close it all the way in where they kind of line up to each other. And I think that's pretty good because you could do more precise cuts like that. And let's say you want to do like a fade or a taper, like I'm pretty sure it's gonna help you with that. Because with this one, if you can see, that's open right there, so you can see like that, and closed would be like that. It's not much of a difference, and you can see there's still like an eighth of a difference right there. So you're kind of missing out on quality by having a clipper that doesn't go all the way down like that. But you know, this one, it looks like it might do a good job. And if you can see my hair, how it is right now, I'm actually cut it. I'm gonna test it out, and we're gonna see how it works.
See that line up, boy. Boo-boo ass line up.
No,
I
did it myself a couple weeks ago.
Doesn't my man have cute ass ears, guys? He's wiggling them.
Yeah, I can move my ears too. What?
Special talents.
Yes, I do. And then it comes with the oil right here as well. There you go, you can see.
Ooh.
And from what I've researched, it's really important to keep your blade pretty oiled up, because I can't just be metal on metal. There has to be some kind of lubricant.
Kind of like oil in a car, right?
Like in a car, so that's what I'm assuming. So it's important to always put some after. It already comes with some oil, so it's not too bad already. So that's a good thing. So some on the side, you put some 1, 2, and that's it. And you just leave it on.
Just trying to show my tat off. Damn.
It
It looks cool with it. Look.
right there.
It looks like, damn.
Looks like you cut hair, Brenda.
It looks like I'm a girl barber.
Yeah, she didn't cut my hair.
Le moché el oído.
I don't know about that, Brenda.
Hey, they feel good though.
Yeah, it feels pretty light, huh?
It feels dope.
It does say 25% lighter. Got an oily face. Comes with the manual right here as well. Who reads manuals nowadays? Come on, be serious. All of us search up stuff on YouTube, you know, just still open it. Let's see what they got here. Yeah, like I was saying right there, put some oil on the side, and then 3 drops on the middle and the ends as well. Yeah, and it just tells you how to take out the blade, you know, so you could keep it clean, you know, because over time, like, I'm pretty sure hair's going in between. You gotta keep it clean as possible. So, yeah, so I'm gonna start to do this. I'm gonna take it out. I gotta show you guys how it sounds when it turns on. Okay, so I just took it off the sticker right here. Now let's turn it off. Nice. Doesn't really shake that much like the other one, but it's kind of loud as well. It's not that bad. But I'm just doing just a little bit, just so you can see like how it cuts. But I'm not gonna record everything because it's gonna be hard to. You know, I have to hold it with one hand and then this with another hand. I got another mirror right here, so to help me with the back when I do the backside. But basically that's my section right here. I'm gonna just drop off all the hairs right there in that bucket. Alright, let's get started. Pretty good. Okay, we'll see later how it turns out to be. That's just how it is for now. Yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? So it is currently the next day after my haircut. I actually used this last night. It was like at 12 a.m. and I really wanted to use it that day, so I just cut it that day. But I wasn't able to record after, so it's not that fresh, but it's only been like a few hours since I cut it. So I'm gonna post up the pictures right now so you guys can see. One thing I forgot to mention was that I did use this Remington. I'm gonna show you right now. Remington. So this comes with guards as well, and it is used for trimming your beard or any body hair that you have. But I just used it to line up and then the sides and everything like that. So I know during these times it's kind of hard to get a haircut, especially if you don't have clippers or all the barbershops are closed, so you don't know what to do. So I would just say invest yourself in some clippers. I don't know how to cut hair like that. I'm not experienced. I just Just looked up, I searched up YouTube videos, and so just let me know what you guys think about it. I know everybody wants a fresh cut, so you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? So I give this product a thumbs up, and I'm not getting paid to do this, by the way, so I'm just doing it just because. If you have any questions about the product, if you're looking for a product to cut your hair, just comment on the comments below. So thank you everybody stay safe, and I'll see you around.